Okay, we're having a sharp debate on this one. Lokesh Jindal, would Kharge say something like namaz padhne se garibi dur hoti hai kya? Would he say that? Would he say that?
Well, he doesn't have the audacity. He doesn't have the guts to say that for sure.
He wouldn't say that. He wouldn't say that. Yeah, but could he say that? Could he say that?
He
You
draws
picked
his
it up.
inspiration from Rahul Gandhi.
Can I come in?
No, so he said that डुबकी लगाने से, गंगा में डुबकी लगाने से गरीबी दूर होती है क्या? Now let us apply that location in the context of Islam. नमाज पढ़ने से गरीबी दूर होती है क्या? हज में जाने से गरीबी दूर होती है क्या? ये बात एक बार बोल के देखे. He should be equal and secular in his approach. Lokesh, would he say that?
No, अर्नब, नमाज पढ़ने से, कुंभ में स्नान करने से या फिर चर्च में प्रेयर ऑफर करने से गरीबी दूर नहीं होती. गरीबी दूर होगी जब स्टेट इसके तरफ सीरियस रहेगा. आफ्टर 2 days we are having the budget, but we hardly see any form of a discussion, conversation, any discourse on what is required for the...
No, answer the question. Lokesh, 1 minute. I'm coming in louder. Lokesh, answer the question. My question is very particular, very simple, that he is not saying... he's not saying talking about all religions. He's talking about Hinduism. He's saying गंगा में डुबकी से लेने से गरीबी दूर होती है क्या? अब मुस्लिम तो गंगा में डुबकी नहीं डालते हैं ना, लेते, हिंदू ही लेते हैं ना. No, 1 minute. This is a comment about Hinduism. Audio is not sharp. Yeah, what are you saying?
No, what I'm saying is, have we overcome all our economic problems? Have we overcome poverty, illiteracy? Have we overcome unemployment? Have we I think the rupee is drowning more.
नहीं, गंगा में हिंदू कमेंट है, हिंदुओं को लेके कमेंट है पंकज. गंगा में डुबकी लेने से क्या आपको खाना मिलता है? अगर मैं इसको कोई इस्लाम के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कहे कि हज में जाने से खाना मिलता है क्या, नमाज पढ़ने से खाना मिलता है क्या, तो आप तो बिल्कुल पीपल वुड टेक ऑफेंस. बट दिस काइंड ऑफ कमेंट वुड बी मेड ओनली अबाउट हिंदुइज्म, पंकज, है ना?
There is nothing like mocking the Hindus or mocking the Kumbh. Kharge was commenting on the tendency of joining the race by the leaders of BJP to have a dip in Ganga.
ये रेस क्या होती है आपको? No, you don't know anything about Hinduism. ये रेस है, आपको लग रहा है ये रेस है? ये रेस है. गंगा में डुबकी मारने के लिए 45 करोड़ हिंदुओं की रेस हो रही है.
No, not
45 करोड़ हिंदुओं की रेस हो रही है. माफी मांगिए. 45 करोड़ लोगों की नहीं, आप कह रहे हैं कि 45 करोड़ हिंदुओं की रेस हो रही है.
No, not 45.
आप वही कह रहे हैं.
Race by these BJP leaders.
क्यों? बीजेपी नेता हिंदू है. बीजेपी नेता हिंदू हैं. सोनिया गांधी को चर्च जाने से किसी ने रोका है क्या? सोनिया गांधी को चर्च जाने से किसी ने रोका है क्या? जब सोनिया गांधी, राहुल गांधी चर्च जाते हैं तो रेस करते हैं क्या? जब सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी चर्च जाते हैं तो रेस हो रही है क्या? चर्च जाने की रेस होती है क्या? उनमें चर्च जाने की रेस होती है क्या?
लीडर्स ऑफ बीजेपी.
नहीं, रेस वाली बात क्यों कही? Why did you say race? Why did you say race?
Because they are trying to create optics. That's it. They have no astha, no faith, nothing. This activity is not religious on their part.
Pictures of the...
It is just for creating scene in a country where around 30 crore people are living below the extreme poverty line, and where 85 crore people
viewers,
cannot survive.
let me put the question again.
Free ration every month, where the rate of unemployment is all-time high. That prices have reached to an unbearable level. The fundamental issues also need to be addressed. That is what Kharge wanted to tell these BJP leaders. See, this is for the first time that a spiritual festival of our Sanatan faith has been converted into a mega commercial event. So, So, you know,
Kharge ji has
this
made
is,
it very clear.
yeah,
He
yeah.
draws his inspiration from Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, has given the green signal to the Congress party to abuse
Lokesh,
Hindu religion.
one
If you
versus two
remember,
visuals.
it was last March when Rahul Gandhi
Nobody
said
is-
something
nobody is
preposterous. Allow
abusing
me to
his
come in now.
religion.
You have been speaking for some time. Allow me to rebut you. It was Rahul Gandhi who very clearly last March, when he said something preposterous that हिंदुओं में एक शब्द होती है शक्ति, हमारी लड़ाई उस शक्ति के खिलाफ है. I think he had given a clear green signal to all his leaders to go after Hindu faith. But second point, when Kharge ji says that garibi dur nahi hogi, let me remind him that we have already pulled out 25 crore people from multi-dimensional poverty in the last 10 years. But through this Mahakumbh itself, the kind of employment opportunities that the
मुझे
Mahakumbh
ये
is
समझाइए
generating is absolutely
नहीं गरीब नहीं मेरी बात
and
सुनिए
poverty
आपने नहीं ब्रिंग इट टू द
region.
नहीं एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है तोहिन पॉइंट की गई है इट हैज बीन सेड टुडे कि गंगा में डुबकी डालने से गरीबी दूर होती है क्या तो मैं एक ही सवाल पूछ रहा हूं जिसको देख के इधर आप देखिए ये बिल्कुल जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे हिज नेम इज लोकेश ही इज एब्सोल्युटली आई एम आस्किंग हिम विल खरगे से द सेम थिंग अबाउट मुस्लिम्स हज में जाने से गरीबी दूर होगी क्या आपकी नहीं एक मिनट नमाज पढ़ने से गरीबी दूर होगी चर्च में जाने से गरीबी दूर होगी या फिर सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी जब चर्च जाते हैं पूजा करने तो क्या वो रेस के लिए जाते हैं पीआर के लिए जाते हैं राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी चर्च क्यों जाते हैं राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी चर्च क्यों जाते हैं किसी ने पूछा किसी ने रोका नहीं क्यों कहा
बिल्कुल गरीबी नहीं दूर होगी मैं तो कह रहा हूं
तो फिर क्यों जाते हैं अगर गरीबी नहीं दूर होगी अगर गरीबी नहीं दूर होगी तो चर्च क्यों जाते हैं अगर गरीबी दूर नहीं होगी तो सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी चर्च क्यों जाते हैं
अरे कैन आई आंसर
मैं पूछ रहा हूं ना उसी तीव्रता से विद द सेम इंटेंसिटी दैट खरगे आस्क्स हिंदूज
कैन आई आंसर
क्या आंसर
यस No, absolutely
because
not.
you're an anti-Hindu party.
Neither Mahakumbh nor namaz nor going to the church nor attending.
नमाज के बारे में नहीं कहा ना उन्होंने तो महाकुंभ के बारे में कहा क्यों कहा
नहीं
क्यों कहा Why did he say that?
Religion is for salvation. It is not for dealing with issues such as poverty.
Correct. Then, okay, so you are then, no. Then why is Kharge linking it to poverty? I am saying not today, not in a million years. Can you say that by taking a dip in the holy Ganga, which is for salvation, is there a cure for poverty? Which means you are saying to all Hindus, which means by inference, listen to me, by inference, Congress party, it's a very dangerous position, Tuhin. Congress party is asking all Hindus to give up their faith.
Well, absolutely.
They are asking all Hindus to renounce their faith. That is exactly what they are doing. What do you mean, what form? Why was that question asked?
Arnab, one of the arguments that they come forth with, absurd argument they come up with is that why are you getting yourself photographed? You go for photographs. I'll tell you why these photographs of taking the dip in Mahakumbh is important.
Show only those pictures.
Mahakumbh has been celebrated with great Sanatan fervor for the last 2,000 years. But in the last 800 years, because of the Islamist invasions and then the British Raj and then the hypocrisy of the Congress Raj, it was celebrated in a subdued manner. It is important for Mahakumbh with 42 to 45 crore people celebrating it. It is important for the pictures to be inked, to be etched in history so that it inspires future generations. So that it inspires future generations to celebrate it with the same fervor. Arnab, in 2013, when they were in government, when Samajwadi Party was in government.
Are those pictures from Ajmer Sharif Dargah? I don't know. But मैं अगर अभी पूछूं कि अजमेर शरीफ दरगाह में वहां पे
आप पिक्चर खिंचा
चादर चढ़ाने से गरीबी दूर होगी क्या? अगर राहुल गांधी चादर चढ़ाने जाते हैं, तस्वीरें भी स्क्रीन पर है, तो क्या गरीबी दूर करने जाते हैं?
नहीं
चर्च जाते हैं राहुल गांधी, एंटोनिया सोनिया गांधी
बिल्कुल
चर्च जाती है, गरीबी दूर करने जाती हैं? नो आंसर, मैं तो इस पे अड़ा हूं. आई एम स्टक ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. आंसर माय क्वेश्चन लोकेश, या फिर बोल दीजिए आई हैव नो आंसर फॉर योर क्वेश्चन.
No, absolutely not.
Great.
Going to mosque temple,
On the
church is not
question.
going to relieve the poverty. If the government should be
Then
more
why are you
into
asking,
formulating policies.
why are you abusing Mahakumbh? By saying Mahakumbh में जाने से गरीबी दूर होगी क्या? Why did you ask that question? Because you are an anti-Hindu party. You hate Hindus.
Show me a video clip where Mahakumbh is abused. Can you show me a video?
I'll tell you one thing, viewers. मैं पूरा clip दिखाऊंगा इनको. Where Mallikarjun Kharge says, and I'll repeat the words what Mallikarjun Kharge says. He says that गंगा में डुबकी लेने से गरीबी दूर होती है क्या? गंगा में डुबकी लेने से आपको खाना मिलता है क्या?
Arab, he is not the first.
और उसके बाद कहते हैं ये लोग
He is not the first Congress person to abuse Mahakumbh. Hussain Dalvi did that just 2 days before that when he said Hajj में जो preparations होता है वो यहाँ नहीं होता. अरे आप आकर देखे हो क्या? कितने लोग बीमार पड़े? कितने लोग बीमार पड़े? कोई नहीं बीमार पड़ा महाकुंभ में जाकर. But this is precisely what Hussain Dalwai had said 2 days before Mallikarjun Kharge launched his attack. He said, the conditions are so unhygienic that you should draw inspiration from Hajj. This is the mentality of the Congress party.
It's a mentality, it's a thinking, it's a plan. I'm telling you, it's a plan. ये कभी नहीं कहेंगे कि महाकुंभ will generate a revenue of more than 2 lakh crores.
ये अपने जमाने की बात करते हैं.
No, they don't. इनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. I'm telling you.
In 2013, it's a fact that the arrangements were pathetic.
I'll tell you why. Because Rahul Gandhi was working to a plan. Rahul Gandhi thought, I will play the caste card and divide Hindus. I will be known as the great divider of Hindus. Rahul Gandhi is very angry nowadays. He's very angry. He's shouting at everybody. He's refusing to campaign. He has told, I am told that he has told Congress leaders, how did the Mahakumbh become so successful? Why are there so many Hindus there? In fact, the size of the Kumbh Mela this time is double that of last time.
In fact, it's progressively
and
growing.
Rahul Gandhi can go to any extent to target Hinduism. Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi are patently anti-Hindu people. Now ask you, Lokesh, why do Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi go to church? To increase the size of the economy or their own economy? No, why do they go to church? Garibi dur hoti hai kya?
As government functionaries, if they are visiting churches and they are
Rahul Gandhi kaun se government functionary hai?
No, let me complete.
No, he also said na ye pujariyon ka desh nahi hai.
No, listen.
Did he say that ye pujariyon ka desh nahi hai?
Please do not interject in between. I will speak or you speak.
Yeah, don't get upset.
Don't speak over me.
I'm talking. Why I'm asking you? Why does Sonia Gandhi go to church?
If you don't want me to speak,
no, I want you to speak, but you're not answering. Why does Sonia Gandhi go to church? Is it to remove poverty?
No, I'll just answer. If as heading important government portfolios, government functionaries, they visit a religious place and they market it, publicize it, I will condemn it. Because that's not what the government is supposed to do. That's not public.
Who told you that?
Come on, do it.
Arnab, in the previous Mahakumbh, the massive crowds, largest crowds would only go for 4 or 5 days. This time, every day from the first day, they have progressively grown. Why? Because the political leadership is personally inspiring Indians, is personally inspiring Hindus across the country that this is a once in a 144-year occasion.
No, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why Rahul Gandhi is anti-Hindu. Rahul Gandhi is anti-Hindu. Rahul Gandhi is anti-Bhagwan Shri Ram. He said, Jai Shri Ram mat boliye, Jai Siya Ram boliye, because if you say Jai Shri Ram, you're disrespecting Sita. Kuch gyan nahi, kuch nahi. Most ignorant politician in this country breaking all, doesn't know anything about anything. Talks whatever is coming to his mind. Secondly, he goes to a controversial pastor while he's on the Bharat Todo Yatra in Kanyakumari. And the pastor, he asks him, Pastor, is Jesus another form of God? And then the pastor says, no, Rahul, Jesus is the real God. And Rahul Gandhi says, okay, thank you very much.
The pastor also has a history of abusing Shakti.
Shashi Tharoor has also posted derogatory tweets in 2019 against the Kumbh. Their whole problem has been with Hinduism. Shashi Tharoor says, Bakar Eid mein jab bakriyon ko mara jata hai, to unse they are not hurt, kuch nahi hota hai. Magar pollution ke karan, dogs and cats, their lungs are getting affected. Firecrackers during Diwali affect animals. The killing of goats is not a big deal. These are things which are said. It's a mentality issue. Lokesh is looking down. Pankaj is smiling. They have no answers tonight. Because everybody agrees with the fact that the Congress has today positioned itself as an anti-Hindu party against the interests of every Hindu. Only there to abuse Hindus day in and day out, and the Hindus have risen. The Hindus are speaking up, and the Hindus are asking you straight and right questions. Now, you're frozen right now. Now tell me one thing.
No,
Did I say
no,
when Rahul Gandhi goes to church, when Rahul Gandhi goes to a mosque, do I say that Rahul Gandhi has gone there to save the economy? I don't say things like that because, I say, okay, that's the way he is. That's his belief. But why go against my belief? Yes?
Yes, Arnab, the larger point is, as a public representative, Mallikarjun Kharge will speak what is good for the public. He will talk about...
This is good for the public. To abuse Hindus is good for the public. Explain why. Hindus must rise now.
Unemployment.
No.
You want the opposition also to be the cheerleader for the government? If you don't want an opposition, if you don't want anybody to ask questions to the government, if you don't want any forms of questions being asked, issues being raised, then let there be a single party rule.
Are you out of your mind? Is Kumbh Mela a government event? Is the Kumbh Mela a government event? Kumbh Mela ko aapne sarkari event keh diya. How again you are saying these things? Why did you say that?
No, Arnab. The
Kumbh Mela is a government event.
We are not objecting any religious seers and religious leaders going and observing the Mahakumbh. The whole point is politicizing the spiritual event.
What politicizing? If Hindus don't go, who do you want? Owaisi will go to Mahakumbh.
Are you trying
Hindu nahi jayenge, Amit Shah nahi jayenge, Owaisi jayenge.
Hindu politicians are not...
Kya baat kar rahe hain aap?
And
A Hindu does not. Amit Shah is a Hindu. He can't go to Mahakumbh.
No, Arnab, that is precisely.
Have you people totally lost it?
as an individual, he can certainly go.
Confused.
It's important for them to be photographed so that, 1,000 years down the line, it continues to inspire future generations. You had made the Hindu community very subdued. We will not allow that to happen. Hindu politicians have every right to wear their religion on their sleeves as much as they wear the patriotism on their sleeves.
What is the percentage of health expenditure that you are planning this budget? What is the total outlay?
Wait for 1st February, you will find the answers. We implemented Ayushman Bharat for everybody.
Now they are linking Mahakumbh to the health budget of the country. You people have completely lost it.
In the first 7 months, in the first 6 months, we have extended Ayushman Bharat for everybody above the age of 70 plus. So don't teach us, don't give us sermons on how we need to take care of the health of the country. We have increased AIMS, the number of aims from 7 to 23, so don't get into that. But you people have been responsible for the poverty which prolonged in this country for every decade. Your Prime Minister used to say that जब हम 15 पैसे खर्च करते हैं, जब हम एक रुपया खर्च करते हैं, तो 15 पैसे आते हैं. We have ensured that 44 lakh crore directly goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, 92% of the viewers of Republic believe that the Congress party is an anti-Hindu party. Tell me one thing, you think you will do politics in India by being anti-Hindu?
Arnab,
you will survive in politics in India by being anti-Hindu.
No,
you just want to be a Muslim party. You only want to be a Muslim party.
भूखे पेट भजन ना होए गोपाल. Arnab, if the basic needs of
जवाब सुनने आए हो, दोहे नहीं. दोहे मत सुनाइए, जवाब सुनाइए.
If the basic needs of the masses are not fulfilled, and true leadership is which talks about these basic needs rather than projecting
no idea of how Mahakumbh transforms the, even on a temporary basis for the next few years, it transforms the economy of the entire region.
I don't know. I believe my show is a reflection of the way people think. 92% people think that Congress is an anti-Hindu party. I think their political future is over the way they have positioned themselves. And